Today I am reading Medicine Briannia from the Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Briannia is the plant remedy. It belongs to the typhoid miasm, which lies between the acute and soric. In my experience, the main feeling of Briannia is that the feeling of a loss, which has to be made up very fast. One of the commonest ways of making up a loss is by business. Here you invest what you have, take risk and try to increase your wealth. The concentration is totally on business. So much so that the Briannia person talks, dreams and uh, thinks of business only. And in delirium will mention what money has to be put where and what business transactions has to be completed. He lives in a business. The Briannia person is very industrious, busy and determined and works at a feverish pace. He becomes dry, insensitive to emotions and feeling of others. He talks little and doesn't like to be disturbed. He reads things concerned with his business, converses with business people, and his attitude in the clinic will also be rather business-like, give and take. As a result, one could mistake Briannia for the Calcarea florica. But the theme of Calcarea florica is to preserve what one already has, and therefore Calcarea flor does not take any risk. While Briannia, however, does take risk. Again, the complaints of Briannia are more acute and will impede movement, whereas the Calcarea flor will develop a slow chronic illness which can make one dependent. One may also compare the Briannia with the Veratrum alb, but Veratrum is concerned more with the loss of position than with the loss of money. So egotism, extravagance, and the show become the theme in Veratrum, but are not so much seen in a Briannia. The rubrics are fear of poverty, talks of business, busy, delirium busy, delusion fancy is doing business, industrious, disturb aversion to being, talk indisposed to, desire to be silent, taciturn, dreams of business, dreams being busy, dreams exertion mental and physical, dreams exhausting, avarice, Kant says desire warm milk, desire soup, Patak says loquacity of the business. This is all about Brian Yalva. Thank you.